Why do some websites rank in weeks while your takes months? It's not luck and it's not about doing more SEO. What most people miss is this. Google doesn't rank the content instantly. It tries to first understand the website. When a website is already clear and structured, Google can easily understand where the new content fits. So ranking happens faster. But when a website is new or still unclear, Google takes more time to figure things out. It looks at how pages are connected, whether your topics are consistent, and how your site is evolved over time. Until that picture becomes clear, the progress can feel slow. In simple terms, one website is easier to understand and other is still being figured out. And that's why SEO doesn't feel to be moving at the same speed for everyone. And doing more SEO early doesn't always help. Sometimes it just creates noise instead of clarity. So if your website feels slower, it doesn't mean you're doing something wrong. It just means that Google is still figuring out your website. And once that becomes clear, rankings follow.